We just survived a local fairy fest, as well as getting ready for a fairy fest, the May Day Fairy Fest at Rocky Point Park in Baltimore County, Maryland, which will be coming up this weekend, the 4th and 5th. So in order to celebrate, we've been interacting with a lot of fae.
A lot of fae.
We need to summon a new fae. So when our powers combine,
Right.
I lost an ear. That's an acorn, not an ear. LOL surprise? Magic flyers? Oh god, another one?
Well,
Well,
this should be interesting.
the only way to find out, let's open it up!
Yes.
Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z,
I'm B.
and today we're bringing you LOL surprise magic flyers. Long pause because I'm terrified. After our last adventure with the crystal flyers that destroyed my home and possibly the neighbors.
Well, we've gotten a couple stuck in the tree, I think.
She was. We're gonna try this again with a different brand. So, I mean, apparently this one does not require an hour of charging. It's just some sort of spell we cast,
But
and
it
she
is
comes out.
rechargeable, and the batteries are included.
Let's see what happens.
No?
You pull that in. I'll pull this
I
in.
mean, the paperwork's on the table.
We don't need directions. I want it.
Don't try this at home, kids!
All right. So the directions are on this thing.
Paperwork.
Yes, we don't litter.
We'll pick it up afterwards. It's not littering if we clean up
There.
after ourselves.
That's true. You read that. I'll rip this one. But we need that. We need to knock, apparently.
What?
Yeah. This one we will kind of look at the directions.
It does say read me first. Instruction video. No.
So there's a switch.
Nope, unlock.
Oh, unlock, and it goes to.
I think we broke this. Oh god, what did it do? Tap and like tap. Did
It
do
moved. Go! Why is it wiggling?
Hello?
Lady of the thing.
Step, act, and wait 2 seconds.
I just needed her across. No! Jesus! Catch her! Oh, shit. She goes through the hand. It's wet and... Oh, ow! Ow! You do it!
I think there's too much wind.
I'm in a field. Where am I? What happened?
I mean, it's almost as bad as the one we
Ow. Okay, so. Scared.
Goodbye!
Not only does she fly, she may mow your lawn.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go back to the official review. So we have, I will say we lucked out. There's, I believe, 3 different versions. And I tried to and somehow succeeded in like the Rainbow Fairy. Now it's much smaller than our Crystal Flyer friend, which is kind of nice. So this one definitely does not fly as high, I would say. It doesn't have enough oomph. Oh, Jesus.
I think it's the wind. The wind wants to take it that way. There she goes.
Dear God, who gave that fairy Red Bull? It is supposed to be another one that hovers above your hand, but unfortunately it yeets itself off in one direction. Oh dear God.
Yeah, it wants to pull that way.
Went for the throat and eyes. But now, the question is, which works better, the LOL surprise or the Crystal Fairy? That's right, Petunia's back and better than ever. You're supposed to charge Petunia for an hour. I forgot and left her on for 2 days. So, Godspeed.
Oh, she's...
She's not well.
No. What did we do to her?
I mean, she ate half the furniture in the house this morning.
There she goes, there she goes, there she goes.
Set that one off. It's a race. Go, go. Ah! Catch.
No, screw that. I'm just walking my fairy. It's fine.
I am clearly a sorcerer. 1, 2, 3. And that's how we lost our cameraman. Your feet! Watch your feet! She's coming back to your ankle. Oh my god, look at them hop. They're actually quite graceful.
Oh, look at him go. Into the wild. We're releasing.
Oh, she did.
We're just releasing them into the wild where they can belong.
Back to their home from whence they came. Oh,
Oh.
God, she broke bones. I mean, everyone's fine. We took them into their natural habitat, and
We never saw them again.
they're living their best lives. I have to say, overall, since this is an LOL surprise episode, the fact that she's smaller, she didn't have as many propellers, but I feel she still worked well, and she did a lot more like hovering and prancing.
I almost wonder if she would be better indoors because with the wind blowing the way that it is, she just wants to go this way. So it's hard to control her with your hand.
Yeah, whereas the original, if you've seen the first video with the Crystal Fairy, I do not recommend that in a home, near children, in public places at all. You find an open field and you pray for the best.
Yeah.
But this one I think is a little more indoor family friendly.
Yeah.
Definitely. If you want one to play indoors, do the LOL surprise.
Yeah.
If you want one to demolition a small skyscraper,
Or to play with outdoors in a lovely park like this.
or siege a small nation, go with the Crystal Flyer. I think it was a win, but definitely much more fun to race them or fight them to the death.
Well, and at least it was entertaining for all of you.
I got some cardio out of it.
And I got hit in the face. I don't think I have a bloody nose, so I think we're good.
It burned some calories. It was fun. It was great. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More mythological cyborg creatures that might bludgeon our faces in?
Yeah.
Or just run off into a field. Where are we? All right, well, let's go find our fairies. Or
Here we have our LOL surprise flying fairy in her little natural habitat. And shockingly, she's still in one piece. So, yeah. Kudos on durability after what we put it through. I mean, what she put us through. It was clearly her fault. I blame the fairy.